Pam 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 pam. Pam 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 pam. Pam. I hope you're having fun as I am. Hope you are learning. Subscribe to Top Tech Script. Subscribe. Love you. Hello guys, welcome. This is Muhammad, and in this tutorial or in this series of tutorials we are going to be learning how to build a Python encrypter decrypter software with GUI, graphic user interface. Okay, now we know the issue of security, how important it is to keep our data safe, okay, from unauthorized use. Okay, so we are going to build this software, and this software is capable of encrypting any file type. You talk about JPG, you talk about docx, Excel files, zip files. Yeah, you heard me right. It's able to encrypt even zip file, no matter how large the file is, okay, at a very fast speed. Okay, so first of all, I will show you how this software works on my computer. Then we are going to build it from the scratch. Okay, I believe by now you already have Python installed on your system, so we are going to install just the libraries needed. Okay, thank you, stay tuned. Yeah, let me quickly show you how the software works. Okay, to get the software, I'll drop a link in the description of this video to my GitHub repository. So for Windows users, just click on this setup to get the package file. Then if you are using other operating system like Mac and Linux, just click on the distribution and download the exe file. So that is that. So just head down to, I have this file installed, the program installed on my system already, so I will click on the program. So if you are using the program for the very first time, you need to generate a key. The key is like is what you use to encrypt and decrypt the file. So you click on generate key, Ctrl A, Ctrl C to copy, highlight and copy. So head down to your environment variable, type env, go to environment variables, go to system variables, click on new, name key, then the value should be the key you just copied. So click on OK. I already have that done in my system, so we are good to go. So go back to your, calculate this, you don't need to again. So select the file you want to encrypt. Like I explained before, the software is capable of encrypting any file type, including videos. Okay, select all files. So let's try to encrypt a document. Select this document, click on open. So encrypt. Let me just save it as doc encrypted. Okay, so done. File encrypted successfully. So let's go back to that folder, doc encrypted. So let's try to open it. Of course, we will not be able to open it because it has been encrypted. So what we need to do, let's decrypt the file again. Select the file, I have it here. Okay. All files, doc encrypted. So we are going to decrypt it. Software is working. Save, the software is working perfectly. Let me give it doc decrypted. Okay, save, done. As fast as lightning. So let's go to doc decrypted and try to open it. Of course, working perfectly. So we've been able to encrypt and also decrypt the file. So that is that. So this is how the software works, and this is what we are going to be building from scratch, including how to create the setup file so you can distribute your own software. So I urge you to subscribe to this channel, like, share. Okay, just encourage me generally so I can make more useful those of us that are interested in learning, make sure you subscribe. It is something you are not going to regret, because there are a lot of plans that are coming up